Assalamualaikum dear students. In this video, we'll see exercise 5.5 ninth sum. If you want to see our other videos, please click that I button. Now we'll get into the topic. So this is what they are given. They are asking us to for ninth sum. They are asking the derivative of this particular function. So I'm just taking that function to be y. So let y equal to x power sin x plus sin x power cos x. Right. Now for this sum, for the last sum, for the 5.5 third sum, I took log on both sides. For base is also variable, power is also variable. The same thing, but the difference for the previous sum, that is the 5.5 third sum and this sum is 5.5 third sum is it is y equal to log x power cos x. Here also the same thing, but the right hand side it is a monomial. We have only one term on the right hand side for this third problem. For the third sum that we discussed in the last video, the right hand side is a single term, monomial, right? But whereas here it is a binomial, we have two terms. This is one term and this is another term, right? So here we cannot directly jump into the concept of take log on both sides. You cannot take log on both sides and we cannot proceed. I'll tell you why. The reason, because here we can do it. It will not be an issue. But here if I start doing that take log on both sides, what will happen? If I take log on both sides, what will happen? Log y equal to log of entire term on the right hand side. So log of this entire part. So log of x power sin x plus sin x power cos x. Now it is of the form log of some a plus something plus something. That is log of, it is of the form log of a plus b. Now we don't have any property for log in this manner. We have log a plus log b as we will write it as log a plus log b. We can write it as log of a into b, but we don't have any property for log of a plus b. So we cannot proceed further. So for this particular problem, we cannot start taking log on both sides in the first step itself. For this we have to just change the first two steps, or after two steps we'll get into the same pattern like the third sum. So first what we have to do is, since it is a binomial, we should take the first term as u and the second term as v. So let me take this to be u, not that uv formula, product rule. I'm just taking, you can use some other variable also, I am taking u. So let u equal to x power sin x, x power sin x. Let me take this to be 1 and this to be 2, and let me take this to be my the other term of my binomial. Let me take it as v equal to sin x power cos x, sin x power cos x. Let me take it as 3. Now if I substitute 2 and 3 in 1, what I'll be getting? 2 and equation 2 and 3 in equation 1, I'll be getting what? I'll be getting y equal to u plus v, because this is I've taken as u and this I've taken as v. So y equal to u plus v. Now let me take this to be my 4. Now differentiate this, what I'll be getting? dy by dx equal to, u is also a function variable here, v is also a variable. Okay, so u, if I differentiate, I'll get what? du by dx plus dv by dx. Right, let me take this to be my equation 5. Right, now anyone has doubts in this particular step, please comment in the comment section, because the sum is lengthy, so I cannot now I'll proceed with this itself. But anyone has doubt in this particular step from this, why I got this, please comment in the comment section below. I'll explain in the next video. Right, so dy by dx, if I differentiate this with respect to x, this is what I'll be getting. dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Now with the help of equation 2, in equation 2 how many variables? I have an equation where I have only two variables. If the left hand side is y, right hand side is x, I'll get dy by dx. Left hand side is u, right hand side is x, means if I differentiate, what I'll be getting? I'll get du by dx. So with the help of this, I can find du by dx. With the help of this equation 3, if I differentiate this, I'll be getting dv by dx. After finding these two, just substitute here, you will get dy by dx. Right, now we will proceed. So let me take equation 2 first to find du by dx. So equation 2 implies u equal to x power sin x. Now what is the problem here? Now it is a right hand side, it is a monomial, single term here, but base is variable, power is also variable. Now here I will use the same logarithmic differentiation concept, take log on both sides. So what I will be getting? Log of u equal to log of x power sin x, x power sin x. So what I will be getting? Log u. Now let me differentiate this particular equation. Differentiate this, what I will be getting? Log u equal to, log u if I differentiate, I will get 1 by u. Log x, let me write the formula that I am going to use here. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Derivative of sin x is, derivative of sin x is cos x. So these two formulas I am going to, and I am going to use uv formula here. uv the whole dash equal to vu dash plus uv dash. I am going to use these three formulas here. Right, before I could differentiate right hand side, I must use that log m power n property, and I can take this to the front. So log u equal to sin x into log x. Sin x into log x. If you can't understand the steps, see our previous video, and then I explained what property I am using here for this step. I have taken this log m power n as log m power n as n log m I have written. Now sin x into log x. Now if I differentiate this, what I will be getting? Log u derivative is 1 by u into d by d. I have differentiated u with respect to x. Right hand side uv formula. So uv formula is what? Vu dash. So put v as it is, log x as it is, and v into u dash, v into u dash, right? So v as it is, u dash means derivative of sin x is what? Cos x, right? Vu dash over plus uv dash. Uv dash means what? Put u as it is, sin x as it is into v dash. Derivative of log x is what? Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So du by dx. I want du by dx only now to substitute here. So let me take this u to that side. I'll get du by dx equal to u into whatever is on the right hand side. Let me write it. Log x into cos x plus, what is this? I can make it as a single term. I can write it as sin x by x. Sin x by x. Right. Now what is my u? According to equation 2, u is nothing but x power sin x. So if I use equation 2, in the place of u, what I can substitute? I can substitute this. So du by dx equal to x power sin x, x power sin x into log x into cos x, log x into cos x plus sin x divided by x. So this is my du by dx. This is my du by dx. Now I'll find dv by dx, and then I'll substitute here. Right. So let me erase this side. So what is my v? Sin x power cos x. V is nothing but sin x power cos x. So v equal to, if I take that v, equation 3 implies v equal to sin x power cos x. Now if I use that the same log, because base is also variable, power is also variable, but what? Right hand side is a monomial, single term. So I can use that logarithmic concept. Log v equal to log of my right hand side, sin x power cos x. So I can use that log property. I have explained in the previous video clearly. So log v equal to cos x into log of sin x. So here I am going to use one more formula along with sin x formula. I am going to use cos x formula. Let me write it here. Derivative of cos x is what? Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Right. Now if I differentiate this, what I will be getting? 1 by v, log v derivative is 1 by v, d by d, v with respect to x. Right hand side, this is u and this is v. So vu dash. Vu dash means put v as it is. That is log of sin x as it is. Log of sin x into v into u dash, right? So v into u dash. V I have written as it is. U dash means derivative of cos x is what? Minus sin x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So v u dash over plus u v dash. U v dash means put u as it is, cos x as it is, v dash. V dash means derivative of log of sin x. Log x 1 by x. Log of sin x 1 by sin x into, now derivative of sin x is what? Log of something 1 by something. That's now differentiate this something. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of sin x is what? Cos x. So that's it. So what I am getting? 1 by v into dv by dx equal to 1 by v into dv by dx equal to minus sin x. Let me write it in the first place. Minus sin x into log of sin x. Log of sin x minus sin x and log of sin x plus I can write it as cos by sin cos square x by cos into cos will become cos square x by sin x. Cos square x by sin x. Right. Now I want dv by dx. Right. I want dv by dx. Let me write. So take this v this side. So dv by dx equal to dv by dx equal to what I'll be getting? Let me write this term in the first place. Cos square x by before that I must take this v. So v into whatever is here. Let me write it. Minus sin x into log of sin x. Minus sin x into log of sin x plus what is here? Plus cos square x by sin x by sin x. Now let me rub this and let me proceed. So this is what I got for dv by dx. Let me dv by dx equal to v into whatever is on the right hand side I have written minus sin x into log of sin x plus cos square x by sin x. So let me rub this now. So what I have now? So 1 dv by dx equal to dv by dx equal to dv by dx equal to what is my v? V is nothing but sin x power cos x, right? So see equation 3. I'm using equation 3 over here. So v is nothing but in the place of v I'm just substituting sin x power cos x. Sin x power cos x into, let me write this term in the positive term in the first place, cos square x by sin x. Cos square x by sin x plus my cos square x by sin x minus sin x into what I got? Minus sin x into log of sin x. Minus sin x into log of sin x. So this is what I got for dv by dx. But according to equation 5, what is my equation 5? This is my dv by dx. You can either stop here or you can simplify it further, right? So what I got, equation 5 is nothing but dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So dy by dx equal to what is my du by dx? Du by dx just now I got here this x power sin x into log x into cos x plus sin x by x. Then this is my du by dx. So du by dx only I have written plus dv by dx. So plus sin x power cos x, sin x power cos x, sin x power cos x into what is it? Sin x power cos x into cos square. Either I can write as cos by sinus cot into 1 by sinus what? Cos square by sin. I can write as cos by sinus cot x. Either I can write it as it is or cos by sinus cot into 1 by sinus cosecant x minus sin x into let me write up this now. Cos by sin, cos square by sin x is nothing but cos x into cos x, right? Cos square. So cos into cos by sin. So cos by sin I have written as cot. So cos by sin. So cot into one cos is left out. So cot x into cos x. Sorry, cot x into cos x. Cot x into cot x minus sin x into log of sin x. So that's it. This is my dy by dx. If you want, you can convert like this, or you can keep it as cos square x by sin x itself. since it will be better if we keep it as cos square by sine, because my right hand side is my actual question is in terms of sine and cos. So if I keep it as cos square by sine, it will be better. If you want, you can keep it like that itself. If you want, you can change like this, or you can simply keep it as cos square x by sine x. It's up to you. Both are correct, right? So this is my dy by dx for the 9th problem. Hope you have understood this problem. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section below. If you like this video, please click that like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell button, and please follow us on the Instagram and Telegram to ask your doubts. Thank you.